Okay, think about it. Black Friday, Christmas, Valentine's Day. These are massive, massive opportunities for any business. But let's be honest, getting them right can feel like a total high-wire act. So in this explainer, we're going to break down a simple, but, incredibly effective checklist to help you absolutely nail every single one. I mean, seriously, if you've ever felt that pre-campaign panic, that feeling of being completely overwhelmed and unprepared for these high-stakes moments, trust me, you are not alone. It's a super common feeling, but it really doesn't have to be your reality.
Because what if you had a clear, simple framework? A repeatable checklist that just takes all the guesswork out of the equation and sets you up for success every single time. Well, that is exactly what we are going to build together right now.
All right, let's dive into this foundational idea. Because before we even start talking about tactics and tools, we have got to get the philosophy right. It all starts with just a small shift in your perspective.
You see, the real power here comes from this one simple idea. Stop thinking of your campaigns as these isolated, all-or-nothing events. Instead, you've got to see them as connected parts of a single, ongoing journey. I'm telling you, this one shift is a total game changer.
So what does continuous flow actually mean in practice? It means every single outcome, whether it's a huge win or, a total flop, it's just data. It's a lesson that you can immediately turn around and apply to make your next campaign even better. It's all about iterating and improving, not starting from scratch every time.
Okay, so with that new mindset locked in, let's get practical. We're moving on to the essential tools that every single marketer needs in their toolkit. These are the core email automations that are going to do the heavy lifting for you. We're going to focus on 3 super high-impact automations. First, we'll generate some buzz with an early bird offer. Then, we'll create that urgency with a limited time discount. And finally, we're going to recover those lost sales with the classic abandoned cart series. Let's break them down.
First up, the early bird discount. The whole point of this tactic is so simple but so brilliant. Why on earth would you wait for the main event to start making sales? This is exactly how you build momentum before the promotion even officially kicks off.
The benefits here are just huge. First, you're generating early revenue, which is always fantastic for cash flow. You're also building that all-important buzz and anticipation for your main offer. And, maybe most importantly, you get to reward your most loyal, engaged customers, which makes them feel like total VIPs. Next up, let's talk about closing the deal. The limited-time discount automation is basically your secret weapon for creating urgency and giving that little nudge to people who are on the fence to finally make a purchase.
So here's how it works. It sends out reminders that the clock is ticking, creating that powerful fear of missing out, or FOMO. But here's the really clever part. It automatically takes out anyone who has already bought from you, so you're not annoying your brand new customers with offers they've already taken. It's smart, it's targeted, and it is so effective.
And now, for what is often the single most profitable automation for any e-commerce business, the abandoned cart series. This right here is where you recover sales you thought were gone for good.
Think about it. The crucial point is this. Someone came to your site, they added a product to their cart, but then they didn't buy. They were this close. This automation re-engages them, it helps them get over that final hesitation, and it wins back a sale that was almost certainly lost. It's literally like finding money you didn't know you had. Okay, so you've got the mindset down and the core automations are locked in. Now that your foundation is solid, it is time to level up. Let's look at 2 really powerful strategies for creating sustainable, long-term growth. So you essentially have 2 paths you can take here. On one side, you've got marketing funnels, which are all about bringing in new customers, often by tying into your social media campaigns. And on the other side, you have upselling, which is all about maximizing the value of the customers you already have. Both are absolutely vital. Let's just demystify this term funnel for a second. All it is a structured process. It's a journey that you design to guide a brand new contact, maybe someone who just found you on Instagram, through a series of steps to become a happy, paying customer. That's it.
And then, of course, there's upselling. This is the art of offering new, relevant products to people who already know, like, and trust you because they've already bought from you. It is one of the most efficient ways to increase your revenue because that relationship is already there.
Whew, we've covered a lot of ground, from mindset to automations to growth strategies. Now comes the most important part, turning all of this knowledge into actual action.
And here it is, your complete roadmap.
This checklist isn't just about tasks to tick off. It's a whole new way to operate. It starts with that continuous flow mindset, making sure you're always learning. Then it gives you the automated tools to build momentum and recover sales. And finally, it provides the growth strategies to not just succeed this season, but to build a stronger business for every season to come.
So, as we wrap up, I'm going to leave you with this final, crucial question. Looking at this list, what is the very first strategy you're going to put into place for your next campaign? Don't just learn this stuff, use it. Pick one and get started today.